Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese small-cap investments. Monday, October the 18th, I've got two great press releases for you. Let's start you off first with China Energy Corp, trades in the OTC under CHGY. They put out their third quarter numbers for the quarter ended August 31st. A little bit about the company first. They're a coal trader and a producer and a processor of raw coal. They're in the coal business, and that's a lot of excitement about the coal industry going forward. There's a lot of talk about the coal industry. Here's some of the highlights coming to China Energy Corp. Revenue for the third quarter up 112% to $21.2 million. Big number there. Net income, $4.3 million or 10 cents per share. That does include, according to the company, a $3.3 million government subsidy. So you've got to ask yourself how long that can continue for. But given the support that China's really putting behind this business, that could go on indefinitely. But you may want to factor that in. And finally, what I find most important here, they're reaffirming full year 2010 guidance of $17 to $18 million in net income. If that's the case, the company looks like it may translate into 40 cents per share in earnings. That's a rough back of the napkin calculations. And if that's the case, and we're sure we're pretty close to that, considering the fact that company just closed on Friday $1.70, you're picking up a company trading about 4 times earnings and growing top line at 112%. So pretty compelling value proposition. Go take a closer look, though. They did have a 52-week high of $4.12 and a 52-week low of 63 cents. So they've been pretty volatile considering they closed now on Friday at $1.70. But good news out of the company. Finally, China Tech Development, CTDC on the NASDAQ. They've announced expansion plans for their photovoltaic modules. This is in line with the news that we saw coming out of Yingli Green Energy last week, who are also expanding their solar production capacity over the next 12 months. So definitely we see a trend here where the industry is seeing increased demand, or has a reason to believe they're going to see increased demand. So that's a small trend that we're picking up on. A little bit about the company. They're a growing clean energy group based in China to provide solar energy products and solutions. And they say they plan to expand their production capacity by the end of 2011 to 150 megawatts, and by the end of 2012 to 300 megawatts. So they're expanding pretty quickly, and they put it here in writing. They expect their products are being exported right now to both Europe and the U.S., and they're catering for increasing market demand. So they must be seeing something come down the road. It may be a time to put on your solar hat and take a close look at Chinese solar plays. The company also says they intend to speed up the pace by means of mergers and acquisitions. Their major shareholder is China Merchants Group, a state-owned conglomerate in China. They closed on Friday at 242, 52-week high, 550. Those are significantly below the 52-week high, and not too far from their 52-week low of $1.71. Again, another volatile company, not something we haven't seen in China before, and this may be a great outlook for the company that's worth you taking a closer look and possibly even taking a position to participate in that future growth. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 2 great press releases for you. If you look for more great Chinese small cap news, then get stuff to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch the show on a daily basis or through our syndication partners at iTunes and YouTube and the rest. Take a look at the best press releases coming out of the entire small cap group of companies we're following, about 250 of them that trade on North American exchanges. And finally, get stuff into the marketplace. A great directory of what we believe to be the best Chinese small mid-cap companies trading in North America. Succinct descriptions of each, and you can filter the list to make it easier to find the ones that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.